see a big school out ahead of us.
In Siberia, Russia, hurricane-force winds battered a highway, tossing vehicles off the road. Yet strangely, many drivers chose not to stay inside their cars. In Kansas, the terrifying power of a tornado is caught on camera, ripping trees from the ground and destroying everything in its path. An unusual phenomenon appeared before Super Typhoon Yagi made landfall in Vietnam, causing brutal destruction.
Oh my God!
So it's going to move probably right up Sabine River. Oh, that's not good.
Winds roar through the Los Angeles wildfire, turning the scene into nothing short of an apocalypse.
Don't move. 뭐지? 터졌나? 아닌데?
상어가.
아니다.
Suddenly, two Korean fishermen get the shock of their lives. A shark leaps onto their boat, proof that sometimes the catch comes to you.
哎呦，地震！等一下，先不要放手，地震。哦，超夸张的，
这个有7级了吧？
超过
了。
还在震哦，等一下。
Panic erupts as a 6.8 magnitude earthquake shakes a 1,000-meter high mountain in Taiwan while a family is camping.
Dag. Yes, då prøver vi.
The driver tried to fight the storm, but the container truck couldn't withstand its force, and eventually it overturned. It was terrifying. I really thought the bear was going to attack the people on the shore. In Nebraska, a family took shelter under an overpass as a tornado struck, but hiding there can be extremely dangerous. Why didn't they turn back or choose another route? Oh my God, the violent tornado swallows a white car in seconds. Where it carried it remains unknown, but the girl inside miraculously survived.
I got that first one.
A terrifying moment in Japan. Residents flee as a landslide, triggered by a 7.5 earthquake, crashes onto the road, destroying houses and power lines in its path. Two explorers plunge into the Arctic Sea as the iceberg they climb suddenly capsizes. Fortunately, they are rescued just in time. A landslide struck near Jashima, India, as a huge mountain slope collapsed onto the road. Many people stood nearby, making it extremely dangerous. A powerful, fast-moving tornado tosses houses and objects around with terrifying force.
Holy crap! Danger! Holy crap!
Doesn't it look terrifying? Mud and rocks blast into the sky like dark fireworks during an eruption in a Swiss village. It looks like a tsunami sweeping through the river, but it's just a block of ice breaking free, creating a breathtaking moment with no harm done. Boaters capture a heart-stopping moment as a cliff collapses in Michigan, carved away by relentless coastal erosion. The moment a tornado ripped through Greenwood, USA, tearing homes apart and hurling debris into the sky, it looked like a monster consuming the city. It was terrifying to witness the natural disaster, the floodwaters flowing fiercely, rolling like a sea monster on the attack.
Falls ich nicht mehr leben sollte, ich liebe euch alle am Monaco. Oh mein Gott, wir werden alle sterben. Also, der Tornado zieht an uns vorbei.
In Germany, a tornado tore through a campsite, hurling tents into the sky like paper, nature showing no mercy.
Hier, einmal winken. Hallo, hallo. Tornado, bye bye. एक मिनट रुक जा यहीं पे रुक जाना यहीं पे अरे नहीं वो आगे मत जाना अम्ब्रेला नहीं है ना वो बादल नहीं वो पानी का ये है पानी है वो पानी का ये है हाँ
In India, on the right stands the 300-meter Ram waterfall, but in strong winds, it turns this road into a scene straight out of an apocalyptic movie.
मत जाइए भैया भैया नहीं जाना है ना हाँ ठीक है हाँ वाईफाई चलाइए वो चलेगा
Here, a river meets the Pacific at the Strait of Georgia near Vancouver Island, Canada. And yet, the two waters refuse to mix. In India, raging floodwaters swallow a bus and sweep it away, but luckily, every passenger escapes safely. Wow, what a spectacle! A giant iceberg collapses in Iceland, breaking apart and sending huge waves across a lake that spans thousands of square meters. Even from afar, that tornado looks truly ominous.
Yeah.
I feel bad for Miss Williams now.
It should be north of her place.
Yeah, that's still pretty close.
massive flash flood rushed downstream in Pakistan, carrying mud and rocks in an unstoppable surge. When fights break out on the NBA court, this is exactly what it looks like. In the Philippines, people were delighted as thousands of fish leapt onto the shore, sparking a race to catch them. In Kerala, India, heavy rains cause raging floods that sweep away a house on the riverbank, collapsing it into the water. A strange phenomenon struck a village in India. The ground seemed to boil as if about to erupt. It was both fascinating and dangerous. Even though an avalanche moves slowly, it can destroy everything in its path. Northern gannets dive bomb a school of herring in Trinity Bay, Newfoundland. With wingspans up to 2 meters, they are the largest seabirds in the North Atlantic.
Fenomena alam, guys. Allahu Akbar.
A stunning fall streak hole cloud was spotted in Indonesia. It forms when supercooled water in the clouds suddenly freezes, creating a dramatic hole in the sky.
Apa sih? Kayak rusuk awet kayak rusuk. Nah, kita pantaukan kayak rusuk, Mas.
As soon as the villagers evacuated, the area was instantly swept away. Raging floodwaters sweep away everything in their path, leaving streets in ruins, Europe's worst storm flood disaster in over 50 years. An F1 tornado tears through Portugal, flattening trees in its path. A flash flood rushes in at extreme speed, yet somehow this guy keeps calmly filming. I just don't understand.
Hear him! Holy shit! Oh my God, they're running! Oh my God, this is...
Whale watchers witness a feeding frenzy at sea, an extremely rare and breathtaking sight that left them in awe.
Oh my God, I just shit myself!
During floods in southern Brazil, a boat crashed into a bridge and capsized, a horrific scene of devastation, like a battlefield. Strong winds and heavy rain batter coastal India, flipping a car over, nature's fury in full force.
I have never in my life seen anything like this. Oh my God, it's raining trees. It's like literally a hailstorm. Are we okay? Is there anything above us?
I don't know. I told you a piece of my ceiling came out.
Oh my God.
Look at the...
Oh my God.
Oh my God, and then I forgot. Look at this.
We might want to stand back a little bit from the window. Because these are getting pretty big. Oh, these are beyond baseball size.
This is insane.
A drone captures the rare sight of a reverse waterfall in southwestern Utah. Powerful 60-mile-per-hour winds blowing the stream back over the cliff.
这么的好嘞！哦，不是，看看到往前。来来。哦呦呦，弟弟，过。哦，把坡把尾，把坡把尾，坡把嘛。哦，你喽。
A terrifying close-up of a landslide, joined by raging floodwaters. It looks more like giant waves in the ocean than a disaster on land.
Look what's going on.
You see? Check that car. The left.
Oh my God.
We should probably make it on the right. Oh, that's we're blocking now.
Gather stuck.
راعي لفلون ابوي راعي لفلون روسيا محمد يوصل هنا. انا مصور فيديو.
Massive floods that occurred in the West Bank left significant damage to the people there. Fortunately, there were no casualties. When Mother Nature teams up with the power grid, the result is a dazzling winter light show. In seconds, part of a construction site disappears as the ground suddenly gives way beneath it. Two men narrowly escape as a mass of snow comes crashing down from a rooftop. The lava may not be moving fast, but it's destroying everything in its path. In 2018, during the Hawaii eruption, residents could only watch in horror as the molten flow crept closer to their homes. In 2025, one of India's states was struck by relentless natural disasters. Torrential rains poured for days, rivers overflowed, and cities were left devastated by severe floods that destroyed everything in their path. A massive dust storm swept through Xinjiang, China, reducing visibility to almost zero, yet drivers still pushed forward through the danger.
哇，真的是龙卷！
In Switzerland, a massive landslide was caught on video. 700,000 cubic meters of rock crashing down in an instant.
nada tem. A Madonna. Có gì lên gì đi. Mình nhậu ra đi mình nào sao mà. Coi coi. Ê, lỗ nó lôm sao. Sinh luôn. Cái tung luôn được luôn. Cái kinh tế làm sao lắm rồi luôn. Lô.
A hornet's nest like this can be a serious danger, but experts know how to relocate it safely.
बस्ती खत्म बनाया करे ओ अझैसम्म त बाँसबोट आएन अझैसम्म त है ओ यार भागा भन्नु पर्यो यार बाँसबोट त कति ठुलो परेको गयो यार बापरे 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 बापरे
Cartão.
Tchau.
Muitas vezes.